So if you're here, it's because you're stuck on this damn thing. It's called the parody. You gotta flip these two pieces the other way around. I'll show you how to do it. So just do it the way I do it, because when I say it out loud, I screw up. There you go. Oh, we'll try to flip these two upside down. So the inner right side twice, the back twice, the top twice. Inner left side towards me, top twice. Inner right side towards me, top twice. Inner right side away from me, top and front. Inner right side front. Inner left side back twice and halfway. See, that's how you put him back upside down. So a little faster. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, top, 1, 2, 1, 2, this way the front, this way the back. Bring it back. That's how you do it. Okay, so now you're stuck with this parody. All your yellows are done, you lined up your headlights, you're trying to finish it, but the orange is on the red face and the red face is on the orange. So this is a very simple algorithm, and it's the same algorithm when you have the two oranges and the two greens flipped, or it could be these two that are flipped, or these two that are flipped, or these two. It doesn't matter. In this case, one of the colors that's wrong facing me, the other one facing away. So it's both rows from the top twice, both right hand side. Only the top row twice, the inner right side twice, and then top row twice, and then flip it, and then you just have to correct. And you just took your oranges and your reds and you flipped them around. And now for the last one. The two sides are flipped. It could be orange and blue, green, blue, like I said earlier. In this case, you take one of the bad colors, put it away from you, and the other bad color put it on your right hand side, and you do the exact same algorithm. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, inner right twice, 1, 2, flip it, and bring it back. Now you're with the simple rotation of this one goes here, this one goes to blue, green goes to orange. Just like a normal 3x3. And you're done. So if you have any questions, let me know. Oh, before I sign off, Magic Phil 76. It's where the magic happens. Check him out.